In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner trying to keep track of your finances or a bookkeeper managing multiple accounts, knowing how to efficiently record sales receipts is crucial. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, let's start by accessing the QuickBooks Online website through your preferred web browser. Once you've navigated to the site, you'll want to log in with your credentials to reach the dashboard. The homepage of QuickBooks is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your business's financial health, including cash flow and insights. From this dashboard, you will have access to all the tools you need to handle your accounting tasks. Next, you'll want to locate the Create button, which is typically a plus or plus sign situated on the top bar of your interface. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options for different actions you might need to take. For today's task, you will select Sales Invoice. This option is your gateway to creating a comprehensive sales receipt document. With the Sales Invoice page open, you'll now be prompted to fill out the necessary information. This is where you begin customizing the invoice to reflect the specifics of the transaction at hand. Start by selecting your customer from the list provided. The list includes all your existing customers, ensuring you'll be prepared with their details each time you generate an invoice. If the customer you need doesn't appear, you may need to add them as a new entry. Moving on, enter the customer's email address in the designated field. This ensures they receive a digital copy of the sales receipt, allowing for complete transparency in your dealings and providing them with a record of the transaction. After that, you will want to adjust the sales receipt date. The date, by default, is set to the current day, but you can easily change this to match the date of the actual sale or when you want the transaction recorded. Continuing, choose the payment method used during the transaction. QuickBooks offers a variety of options such as cash, check, credit card, or even online payments, depending on what suits your business practices the best. This detail is important for reconciling your accounts accurately later on. Finally, specify the account where you would like the payment to be deposited. This could be your checking account, savings account, or any other account you've designated for receiving payments. Selecting the correct account helps maintain orderly records and assists in tracking available funds. Once all these details have been carefully entered and reviewed, proceed by clicking the Record and Save button. This action saves the document in your records and completes the transaction process in QuickBooks Online. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully recorded a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your sales receipts organized not only helps in tracking your business's cash flow, but also ensures you're always prepared for tax season. Thank you for joining today's tutorial and happy bookkeeping.